Yesstyle reached out to me if I wanted to be part of their beauty campaign, which is fight your skin problems with natural ingredients, and of course I said yes. I mean, ever since I was a teenager, I've known Yesstyle for their Asian products, Korean products, Japanese products. So now I get to collaborate with them and I'm super excited. And they sent me a coupon code to shop on their website, and they even have an app now, so which is very cool. And the items are here, so I'm going to unbox them with you guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Angelique Florpua, aka the Flying Angel. For today's video, we are going to do a beauty unboxing all from Yesstyle. So I'm super excited and let's get started. All these products that I have chosen are new to me. I haven't tried them yet. On their website, you have like this influencer picks and they are all part of it. So I'm very curious to try them out because they all have like hundreds of good reviews. And to be honest, I've seen them on TikTok and on Instagram and they're quite very impressive. Let's unbox the first one. Here we go! Ta-da! So the first product is going to be the Dynasty cream from Beauty of Joseon. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. This is also a cream based on natural ingredients, and I've seen this brand a lot on TikTok and on Instagram. Oh, you have like a spoon and this tissue paper. Okay, so it's a very nice container. It doesn't have a particular smell, or maybe I'm kind of having a cold. So next one is mascara from Romand. So it's a long black color, a hand All Fix Mascara. Oh, okay. Just looks like the typical mascara. Oh yeah, I remember this one is with a very small brush, because I have very small eyelashes, so I need this one. And next one we have a cream from ETUDE. So it's the Jung Intensive Cream. Yeah, I have a very dry skin, still kind of searching for the perfect facial cream, because every time I take a bath my face is like paper dry. So I hope this had a lot of reviews, positive reviews on Yesstyle. It said that it's a hair cream. I will definitely try this one. Next one we have the Some By Me Bye Blackhead. This one I saw it on TikTok and it was kind of impressive. It's like you're applying this liquid thing and it gets foamy, and then when you want to rinse it off, it makes these weird popcorn sounds. I have high expectations on this one. This brand is also based on natural ingredients. So actually I think all Korean products are based on natural ingredients. So apply a small amount of the product to your face and then spread it thinly and evenly like a facial mask, and then after the product foams, rub your face using gentle circular motion and rinse it off with lukewarm water. And of course we have more products from Romand. Yeah, Romand. So this is an eyeshadow palette. Oh wow, yes, this is like so magical. It's all glitter. I love it. Oh, these are like the types of color that I would put on my nails as well. And we have another product from Romand. It's the Zero Matte Lipstick. It's color number 7, Envy Me. So it looks like this. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's... I don't... What kind of color is this one? It's kind of pink brownish. It's definitely a matte one. And the last product of this package is from Etude House. It's a lash eyelash serum. I have very tiny lashes. I'm always wearing false lashes. So it's time to find a good serum. I'm very excited to try this one as well, if it will work on me. So that's it for the first package, and off we go on the second one. Oh, this is so cute. It's a tiny LANEIGE lip sleeping mask. It's really small, but I wanted to try it first before getting the big one. I think I do smell it. It smells like strawberry. I have very dry lips as well, so I will be needing that one. And again, another product of Beauty of Joseon. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So this is the serum. I know they have like different types of serum. I think this one was a honey one. So here it is. I took this one because it was good for your dry skin. It's a small bottle, but I think you don't have to apply a lot of it. Oh, okay, another product of Some By Me. I think this one is a toner. Oh no, it's the body cleanser. It's a AHA BHA PHA 30 Days Miracle Acne Clear Body Cleanser. I don't really have a lot of acne, but I took this one for Vincent. I think his skin is very sensitive to acne, so I've read a lot of good reviews about this one. So yeah, I'm gonna give this to him and I hope it works. Oh, I also got a TONYMOLY eyebrow pencil in the color brown. And I also got this cotton pads. I think it's also made in Korea, so it's a Korean cotton pad. I took this one because I also got a Some By Me toner, and I don't know, I think it's my first time using Korean cotton pads. I've read a lot of good positive things, so I'm very curious to try it. What the difference is with a normal cotton pad and with a Korean cotton pad. Okay, so I already see a big difference. It's very thin, huh? I have a lot of them, huh? The last product of the second package is another makeup product. It's a juicy lasting tint. I think it's again from Romand. It's number 23 Nucadamia. The container, is it matte? Yeah, I think it's matte. It smells like candy. And of course, our last package. Oh, it's already open. Oh, this one broke. I think everything inside is still intact. Oh yeah, so we have here the bigger size of LANEIGE. This one is a water sleeping mask. This one was also good for your dry skin. I read that. So it's basically just an overnight gel sleeping mask. So you have to apply it after your daily cream and then put this on and sleep in it, and then the next morning you just have to rinse it off. So this one is a bigger size. This one was a lip mask. Oh, so cute. So yeah, the bigger size is like 4 times bigger. And it also comes with a spoon. Ah, it's coming out. I do smell that. I like it. Oh, we have again another palette from Romand. Yeah, they basically have all the palettes from Romand, and it was so hard to choose which one to get. I picked those that I don't have yet in my makeup collection. Ooh, it's so nice. It also has this magical glitter color. So this is more like brownish. I don't know what's called. It's the Rosebud Garden. So pretty. This one was the palette number 00 Light and Glitter Garden. So the Rosebud Garden is number 3. Let me show them next to each other. Ooh, they're so pretty. We have another Romand product. It's the Glassing Water Gloss. This one was also trending on TikTok and on Instagram, so I really wanted to try it. It's number 1 Sanho Crush. They have 3 colors. It's definitely pretty. So it has this mint smell. I like it. Oh, it's very chilly on the lips. Next we have another Some By Me Miracle Toner. This one, this was a toner that I'm supposed to use with this cotton pad. Okay, so it's a tea tree pore care brightening moisturizing toner, miracle toner. Yeah, that's better. It basically removes dead skin cell. Oh, we have another waterproof pen eyeliner from Money or McQueen in color black. I was looking for a good eyeliner. Let's open it. Oh, it's a thin brush. This would be perfect to make the wing here. This one is a velvet lip tint in color nude. They have 15 colors from the brand 3CE. I think it's also a matte color. It's more like on the brownish nude color. And I think the last product is the Beauty of Joseon, and it's the Relief Sun Cream. This one was very trending everywhere, like on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok as well. I think this one has also high expectations on me. I like to wear sunscreens which are not sticky at all after applying it on your skin. It's a medium-sized tube. I will open this later and try it out. Apply even over face and neck at the last step in your morning and daytime skincare routine. So yeah, that's it for this beauty haul. I'm very excited to try them out later. If you're familiar with some products that I've showed you, do comment below and tell me what your experience is with these products, because I'm very curious and I want to know if they are as good as they show them on Instagram, on TikTok. I do have a personal code for you. I will add it here down below to give you some discount if you're interested on buying of some of these products or other products on the website. And I will also be linking all the products in the description box as well. And I think for the buyers in Netherlands and in Belgium, this week and next week they have a special discount code. It's Dutch 22. I will also add it down below to giving you 15% discount on a minimum purchase of 75 euros. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm very excited to try all these beauty products tonight and in the coming days. I hope you guys found it interesting as well. And if you have questions, feel free to ask. Drop it in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, do subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and see you on the next one. Bye!